Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you the Shure SM7B boom arm setup. First, select a robust boom arm capable of supporting the microphone's weight, which is approximately 1 pound and 10 ounces. Confirm your boom arm features a standard 5/8" thread for direct attachment. You will also need your Shure SM7B microphone and a high-quality XLR cable. This initial preparation ensures a stable and reliable foundation for your audio recording needs, making the subsequent steps much smoother. Now, let's attach your Shure SM7B to the boom arm. Begin by gently removing the microphone's integrated windscreen to reveal the mounting bracket. Carefully screw the microphone onto the boom arm's 5/8" thread, turning clockwise until it is snug and stable. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Once secured, reattach the windscreen, ensuring it fits snugly. This step establishes the physical connection, preparing your microphone for power and signal transmission. Next, we'll manage the XLR cable for a clean and efficient setup. Plug one end of your XLR cable firmly into the 3-pin output connector on the Shure SM7B. Then, carefully route the cable along the boom arm, utilizing any integrated cable channels, clips, or Velcro ties to keep it tidy and prevent tangling. Finally, connect the other end of the XLR cable to an available input on your audio interface or mixer. This ensures a clear signal path and a professional appearance. Finally, let's optimize your microphone's position for the best sound quality. Aim to place the Shure SM7B about 2 to 6 inches from your mouth, directly in front of you. For clearer audio and to minimize harsh plosives, try angling the microphone slightly off-axis, perhaps at a 45-degree angle. Adjust the boom arm to maintain this consistent distance and angle, ensuring comfort during long recording sessions. This fine-tuning will significantly enhance your vocal recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.